Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up Find My Phone on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to set up Find My iPhone, just open the Settings app. Now from here just tap on your profile section. Now from here just scroll down and tap on Find My. Now from here tap on OK. Now from here tap on Find My iPhone. Now from here make sure you enable all these features. Now from here make sure you enable all these features. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the Find My application. Now from here tap on Cancel. Now from here tap on Continue. Now from here tap on Enable Notifications. Now from here tap on Allow. Now from here if you tap on Devices, now from here if you tap on the name of this device, you can locate your iPhone. Now from here once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the Settings app. Now from here just search Location. Now from here tap on Location Services. Now from here enable Location Services. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Find My app. Now from here tap on Allow while using the app. Now from here tap on OK. Now from here if you tap on Devices and if you tap on the name of the device you want to find, you can locate it right here, just like that. Now from here if you tap on Me, now from here if you scroll down, now from here you can customize the Find My notifications. Now from here you can enable or disable time-sensitive notifications, and also from here you can enable or disable the sound and the badges of these notifications. Now from here go back. Now from here you can also customize the tracking notifications. You can enable or disable tracking notifications, and also you can select the style of the alerts, just like that. Now from here let's go back to the Find My application. Now for an example, if you have lost your iPhone and if you want to find your iPhone from your friend's device, just make sure that you tap on Me on your friend's device and tap on Help a Friend. Now from here just sign in to find your device. And this is how you can set up Find My Phone on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.